Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm going to show you guys how to make the classic Thai mango sticky rice. It's the most popular Thai dessert. In Thai we call Khao Mung. There are 4 components of the dessert. First we have to got the sweet coconut sticky rice. We have got the salt coconut sauce and crispy mung bean which are going on top, and then finally of course mango. First deal with the rice, we have to soak the rice, but before we soak it, we have to give it for a really good washing. Just want to rinse it well with the cold water a few times, and this will wash away excess starch that will prevent the rice from becoming gummy when it's done. And the first rinse will be the water be very cloudy, and progressively the second and third rinse the water will come clearer and clearer. So what you are looking for is water to be clear enough that you actually can see the rice through the water. 2 or 3 times is usually good enough. Soak the rice for at least 4 hours or 1 night. And after soak, on the final rinse, you want to make sure you drain off the water really well. Make sure the water is gone. And like the lab, we just use a muslin and put the rice in the middle, folding the edge over. And then we just going to transfer it into the steam machine, and then we are going to let it steam for 25 minutes. During waiting the sticky rice is cooked, we are preparing the coconut sauce. So in the saucepan, I will put my coconut milk in there, also my sugar, salt, and put on the medium heat until really hot, but not until it's boiling, and then just give it a taste. It should be really sweet and salty in the same time. And when you taste it, now you see the taste is really strong, but it's really sweet and salty in the same time. But is that okay after you put the coconut milk and with rice, and everything should be fine. My freshly cooked sticky rice, I put out in a container with the lid. The sauce that we prepared before to the bowl. I'm gonna flip directly for my rice into the bowl. The coconut milk need to be really hot, and sticky rice also need to be really hot too. I recommend to do this when it's really hot because it's easier that way to make the sticky rice is not to stick, and then just stir together. And now I know it looks soupy now, but giving a few minutes and all liquid will be absorbed into the rice. You want to start and make sure that is no crumb of rice to prevent absorption, and avoid with the cover, and we'll let this for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, we are going to flip our rice over and see how its rice content all the liquid is mostly being absorbed. Now we are trying to do get all rice that was easier at the bottom to the top, and then cover it about 10 minutes. And for the mung bean, we just need to boil it until it's cooked, and then put in a saucepan on a medium heat and roast about for its golden brown, and leave it on the side. Meanwhile, let's it work for coconut sauce. I add coconut milk and add a little bit of sugar, about tablespoon of sugar and teaspoon of cornstarch. Stir them together and add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt. Stir them together, and then we'll put in the microwave. Before put in the microwave, let's stir again for mix it, and then put in the microwave for 1 minute. Our coconut sauce is ready. So let's serve the sticky rice. In the meanwhile, let's do the mango. Here you just cut your mango in a bit size. The one of secret, if you don't want the mango is darker after you put it for a long time, you need to prepare the salt with the water and put the mango after we cut. And today we will have two methods for serve with the mango sticky rice. One is a normal, it's basic, the sticky rice, and other one is make like a roast mango. So before we serve, I just put my coconut cream sauce on the top.